All this talk about 3D to 5D. Well, in 2012, the world didn't end, but something did. Not with fire, not with collapse, but with a frequency shift. So quiet, most people never heard it. The Mayan calendar wasn't predicting doom. It was marking a reset, a vibrational fork in the road. What ended wasn't the earth. What ended was the cycle of unconsciousness. See, for thousands of years, humanity operated in what we call third-dimensional consciousness, 3D. This is not about physical space, it's about awareness. 3D is the realm of duality, me versus you, win or loss, fear or control. It's survival consciousness, rooted in identity, form, and ego. It's the world of status, ownership, judgment, and separation. You are the job, you are the body, you are the nationality, race, belief system, and bank balance. That's 3D. The prison of labels, the illusion of otherness. But something started breaking through around 2012. The frequency of this planet began accelerating. Old systems cracked. Hidden truths surfaced. People started asking better questions. Not just what do I do, but who am I really? That's the shift into 4D. Fourth dimensional consciousness is transitional. The hallway between floors. Bridge between the matrix and the miracle. In 4D, you start to observe. You begin to recognize the programs. You question your beliefs. Time becomes fluid. Reality bends a little. The veil thins. Synchronicities multiply. You attract what you think faster. You notice energies. Yours, others, the room, the vibe. You become sensitive to pain, to beauty, to truth. 4D can be messy. It's a detox. The shadows come up. The illusions crack. You might lose friends, jobs, identities. Because to go beyond 3D, you have to let it die. And that's where 5D begins. Fifth dimensional consciousness isn't a place, it's a state of being. It's unity consciousness, where the illusion of separation collapses. You don't just believe you're connected, you feel it deep in your cells. You see the divine in all. You don't react, you respond. You don't hustle, you align. You don't fear death. You understand it's just a door. It's not blissed out denial. It's clarity, a radical presence. Knowing that all of what we label good and bad are just experience. It's loving without condition, acting from intuition, not reaction. And no, this isn't fantasy, it's actually biology. Even scientists are noting shifts in Earth's human resonance, in our DNA activation, and heart-brain coherence. Even the nervous system is adapting. Slower brain waves, more gamma states, more coherence between thought and feeling. This shift is real. And if you're experiencing it, you're not imagining it, you're embodying it. And no, it's not happening to everyone at once. This is a self-paced ascension, a vibrational opt-in. This goes back to the whole Earth splitting into the new Earth and the old Earth. Some are still clinging to 3D, fighting ghosts, buying masks, yelling into echo chambers. Others are stuck looping in 4D, chasing gurus, fearing dark forces, obsessed with ascension but avoiding inner work. But those moving into 5D, they're quieter now, focused, grounded, not waiting for a savior or an alien rescue plan, but living the truth that heaven was never up there, it was always in here. So if you're feeling the friction, good. You're not broken, you're upgrading. The system is crumbling because it can't hold this frequency anymore. You don't rise by escaping. You rise by integrating, by fully being here, but not of here. From 3D density through 4D awakening into 5D embodiment. Not to float away, but to finally arrive. The new Earth doesn't land, it emerges through you. Humanfluence, out.